What is that? Is it Rosie? Is she our new dog?
Yup.
Oh my god!
Look at her hugging McKenna.
McKenna was reading that she was going to die. Then she started crying because she didn't want her to die. I started bawling.
This is Rosie. She just got here off the transport and she's going to her new home. Thank you. I love you. Yes. You're gonna have a great home, okay? I promise. She's ready to fly. Here's my girl.
Hi, my girl. Hi. Are you a good girl?
Is that mommy or is that just a stranger? I was so happy because like, I don't know, it's unexplainable. Like, I was so happy that I cried. Is that why she wasn't available?
Yes.
I say we bring her home.
Rosie! Hi! Good morning! Hi! I know, you miss your girls.
She's just the sweetest thing, and she's just an amazing dog. That she cuddles, she plays, and she loves the snow amazingly so much. Yes, definitely. You'll let us have more love and more happiness in our hearts. Because we have Rosie in our